Welcome back, everybody. We've got the Corvette all done. Customer's here to pick it up. So here we got the 81 Corvette, and she was cracked all down through the fender here. Wasn't much holding on, except for a little bit of fiberglass left through here. That was all repaired. All around the front was all coming apart and all checked. It'd been painted several times before. And this fender over here was cracked as well, all down through here. Had another hole over here. Fiberglassed it all in. Repaired all the bad spots in it. Cut the jams in real nice. All the way around. Turned out pretty good. And then back here it was all, had a big hole right here where it wasn't repaired right before, so I took and glassed up underneath the back of it. I did not take the bumpers off. I repaired it with them on. Turned out perfect. Did some more work around through here, a little bit of fiberglass work and stuff. Painted it. I based it out with black. Throw the glue over it and cut it, rubbed it. And here's the finished product, which turned out pretty good. And the customer is right here. And how do you feel about it?
I'm really happy. Looks beautiful.
All right, good deal. So another satisfied customer. Anybody's looking to get their car painted or need any glass work on vets or anything, that's what I specialize in.
Highly recommend him.
Here we go. She is all done. Needs to be detailed out, of course, but I don't have my wire hooked up right now. But it looks pretty good.
Did you see that Nova he did? Can you show him your Nova?
Yeah, the Nova, yeah, I'm finishing up in a sec. Come on in. All right, to be continued here at Randy's Garage.